What up, YouTube? It's your boy, the Airsoft Kid. And as you know, I'm into Airsoft, and I'm gonna do me putting on my Airsoft stuff. So I got my basics on. I got my shirt, my pants, and these boots on. Yeah, so that's easy. And tomorrow I'm going on a field trip. I was gonna record that, but my teacher, she saw my phone, she'd take it, so I'm not gonna do that, like, you know what I mean, because I'm not allowed to have phones, but, well, for real, you're not allowed to have phones, and I just don't want to take that risk of, like, me getting my phone taken to where I can't upload content to y'all, so, yeah. And you know what, since y'all been giving me comments, yes, I will give y'all a personal. If y'all want, I can give y'all a personal comment back, which I already gave that first kid who gave me the comment. So here's what I'm gonna do. What I'm gonna do is every video I make, whoever gets the whoever comments the first comment, I will shout you out, and I will. Yes, I am gonna be. Oh yeah. I'm gonna be playing it. See, as you see, I'm in my backyard, and I'm gonna do an airsoft gameplay. So today, this is what my backyard looks like. As you see, so yeah, that's something. And let's get on into the video. So first, what I put on is I usually put on just my clothes, but I already have that on. Hold on. Then I usually put on my vest. So let me get that out. Hold on. I just got this vest 2 days ago. As you see, what's in this is my smoke grenade and my grenade. What's in here? And this one has my speed loader. And then yeah. Hold on. Next, I usually showed you what I use. I use the Vulcan Tactical, which I'll probably put that. Whoop, can't carry those. Next, I put on my water backpack. So yeah. And plus, this is really good to have because say you're out of breath, or because I'm going to be doing some fun, good content stuff to where I'm running around. Hold on. And then I usually just put on my mask. I pull it all the way close because then that particularly it can fold out into where I feel comfortable at. So yeah. baby. Get inside.
Oh my God.
And then I usually just put on my sunglasses.
Oh my God, I look so good in this camera.
Jada, shut up.
Can't tell me nothing. Can't tell me nothing. Stop! Oh my God. Should have got a smaller vest.
And then I usually put on my helmet. By the way, that is my sister.
Where your baby looking?
I'm not getting it.
No, you're looking at your baby. You're gonna shoot it.
Delvin, come here. Can you hold the camera and check me in? So, here's my mask.
Vest.
Oh yeah. One more thing. I have my assault rifle. What is this? This is the M4. Has full auto and semi. I like semi because you go instead of full. You're wasting ammo on. So I like semi. And I might be getting the sniper, maybe. And if you're wondering where I get these guns from, it is Fred's Outdoor. It's located. I don't know where it's located, but oh, I know. But I got all this gear from Amazon. So, yeah.
Don't break it.
Then it will be right. And then I'm getting a sling to where it will hold just like this. There we go. And I have a 300 round mag. That's my cousin. Get in the door. So yeah, that's my video. And I will be uploading more content in the future. So yeah, if you like my gear, comment down below. So yeah. Hold on. I will be doing pranks, but hold on. Don't I look weird? Hold on. I forgot one thing. My Vulcan tactical gloves. Here's what they look like. These are a small from Amazon. So, yeah. What you pay for this stuff, it's good. I'm at 8 minutes already. I may even do vlogs where I go to the mall and stuff. So I might change my YouTube name, but that doesn't mean I'm gonna change to a YouTuber. I'm just gonna do like, vlogs and stuff, because you know what? Y'all comment down below what kind of prank y'all want me to do on like my sister, my cousin, and all that. So make sure they don't hear me, and I'm gonna set it up, and then alright. So yeah, that's it for my video. So yeah, peace out, and I got one more thing to tell you. These gloves are Vulcan Tactical. So if you get shot in here, these are gonna protect you because it has that padding right here. And trust me, you want gloves when you go airsofting. I got shot on my finger, and it stings like a, you know what. So yeah, I just wanted to update y'all with my airsoft video. thing. It's actually coming along, but one thing I don't like is my vest. My vest is really big, so yeah. But I mean, it does what it. It does what it's supposed to do. So I like it. Yeah. So peace out, y'all.